Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about managing our factory and machinery. This helps us move products more smoothly and work more efficiently. We focus on setting up millet pasta manufacturing plant with following capabilities. A medium-size factory of 150 kilograms per day with an area of 1000 to 1500 square feet. First, we start with raw material entry and storage. Designate an area near the entrance for storage of raw materials for easy unloading. After that, have flour mill. The millet grains used to make pasta are pounded and then turned into flour. Next you place the mixing machine. This area for mixing pasta dough. After this there should be pasta extruder machine. A pasta extruder is a machine that pushes dough through a shaped opening to form different types of pasta like spaghetti or macaroni. After that, drying rack area. This area is used to dry shaped pasta. Next you place the weighing machine. This area is used to weigh pasta kgs wise with coolies. After that you put the packing machine. This machine is used for packaging pasta. After the workers complete the packaging, establish an area for finished product storage and dispatch near the exit. Use shelving units or pallets to store finished products, organized for easy access and dispatch. By considering all these factors, you can efficiently produce millet pasta. This video, thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.